Good morning, everyone. We got to talk about these Amazon fittings. One is not like the other. Convenient because it'll be there the next day if you order Amazon Prime, but it gets an absolute thumbs down because it's crap. Pressure City, these are the MTM valves, or the MTM fittings. Look at that size difference. This is tiny. It's been used for 2 months, and look at how dented the steel is. So not only is it out of spec as far as the inner diameter goes, it leaks because this collar right there is not the freaking same proper dimension. What a letdown. What a letdown. Let that be a lesson to you guys. Don't ever order fittings off of Amazon. You never know what they're going to give you. Order fittings from a reputable outlet like EnviroSpec or Pressure City, or one of the other major pressure wash stores, but avoid Amazon. So I'm going to be swapping these fittings out, and I'll have my second ball valve that doesn't leak. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.